SKYLOTEC ACX. Thank you for your attention. In many high-altitude professions such as repairing wind turbines or power lines, workers often face the challenge of repetitive climbs and descents. The difficulty is compounded by the fact that power lines are typically suspended 25 meters high. To put it in perspective, in just 12 climbs, you would cover the height of the Eiffel Tower. For a safer, faster, and more comfortable alternative, consider investing $15,500 in a SKYLOTEC ACX. This winch moves at speeds of up to 24 meters per minute, operates for 200 minutes on a single charge while carrying a 100-kilogram load, and can be controlled remotely from distances of up to 150 meters. It's an excellent solution for situations where there's a high volume of work and a shortage of specialists. Trimble XR10. Microsoft has broadened its horizons by acquiring Activision Blizzard and rolling out a groundbreaking product called the Trimble XR10, specifically designed for construction workers. This innovative device, an evolution of the renowned HoloLens, takes into account previous feedback from the US military. Boasting a crisp 2K resolution, the XR10 excels in challenging conditions, performing seamlessly in humid and dusty environments. Its impressive sound quality, even in noisy surroundings, sets it apart as a remarkable advancement. Notably, the XR10 marks a milestone as the inaugural product developed under the Microsoft HoloLens customization program. The acquisition of Activision Blizzard and the introduction of the Trimble XR10 showcase Microsoft's commitment to pushing boundaries and delivering cutting-edge solutions. EXoZeroG. Every year, work-related injuries burn a $21 billion hole in the United States pocket, leaving 20% of construction workers grappling with intense pain. Enter EXoZeroG, a game-changer in the form of a robotic arm designed to make lifting tools and other loads up to 16 kilograms a breeze. This high-tech companion seamlessly pairs with impact wrenches, pneumatic hammers, and riveters, taking the strain off workers and injecting a dose of morale into the job site. It's not just about cutting costs, it's about making work easier, safer, and more enjoyable for the hardworking folks in construction. EXoZeroG is the answer to lifting the burden off both workers and the economy. HP SitePrint. HP SitePrint, a brainchild of HP renowned for its printers, is a time-saving marvel that digitally maps out floors a staggering 10 times faster than the human hand. This robot is a versatile powerhouse capable of seamlessly maneuvering across various surfaces and overcoming obstacles up to 20 millimeters in height. Its operational prowess extends to working with DXed files, the standard and CAD programs, making it a tech-savvy companion for design tasks. What's more, its remote control capabilities leverage cloud technology, offering the convenience of managing operations from a distance. With HP SitePrint, the days of painstakingly slow floor layout are behind us, ushering in a new era of efficiency and convenience in digital design. TeraTrak R1. Meet TeraTrak R1, a groundbreaking mapping tool designed exclusively for horizontal directional drilling. Setting a new standard, it operates with remarkable precision even in the absence of GPS, guaranteeing accuracy within a range of plus or minus 15 centimeters over distances surpassing 150 meters. This innovative tool doesn't just stop at accuracy, it boasts a robust 40-hour battery life, ensuring reliability on the job. Weighing in at approximately 6 kilograms, it strikes the perfect balance between portability and durability, making it a trusted companion for over a decade. TeraTrak R1 is not just a tool, it's a game changer, revolutionizing the landscape of horizontal directional drilling with unmatched accuracy, longevity, and ease of use. Illumagear 6th Sense Plus Halo SL. Electricians, meet your must-have tool, the Illumagear 6th Sense Plus Halo SL. Priced at $250, this featherweight wonder tips the scales at a mere 20 grams and keeps going for an impressive 74 hours on a single charge. Illuminating the way with a range of 15 meters, it covers frequencies from 50 to 60 hertz, handles voltages spanning from 120 volts to a hopping 550 kilovolts. Easily attachable to a helmet, it seamlessly blends comfort with functionality. This device isn't just a game changer, it's the essential companion for electricians, shedding light on the job with precision, longevity, and the convenience of being right where you need it. Sonetics. Sonetics takes the lead in providing headsets tailored for noisy environments, intelligently capping incoming sound at 82 decibels. This unique feature ensures a balanced auditory experience, allowing users to stay connected to their surroundings. The individual volume adjustments add a personalized touch, adapting to the user's preferences. These cutting-edge headsets boast an impressive range, operating seamlessly at distances of up to 488 meters. Embracing modern connectivity, Sonetics headsets come equipped with Bluetooth compatibility, enabling users to handle calls, tune into radios, and establish computer connections effortlessly. In the world of noise, Sonetics stands out, offering a harmonious blend of safety, communication, and adaptability. Trimble Ri. Enter the Trimble Ri, a total station that's a game changer in the realms of surveying and construction. Tailored for measuring distances and angles for upcoming structures, its automated robotic version transforms the field, requiring just one person and slashing operating time by half. The efficiency doesn't stop there. On a single charge, it delivers an impressive 4.5 hours of continuous measurement capability. This means less downtime and more productivity on the job site. The Trimble Ri doesn't just measure, it redefines the standards of precision and convenience, bringing forth a new era in surveying and construction technology. GEDA AkkuLeiterLIFT. The surge in popularity of solar energy has paved the way for innovations like the GEDA AkkuLeiterLIFT, a revolutionary hoist designed to simplify the installation of solar panels. Boasting a lifting capacity of 120 kilograms, an adjustable height reaching up to 10 meters, and an impressive speed of 15 meters per minute. This hoist is a game changer in the industry. Priced at $6,100, it caters to both professionals and everyday users, making solar panel installation more accessible and efficient. The GEDA AkkuLeiterLIFT is not just a tool, it's a step towards a more sustainable future, offering a smart solution to elevate solar energy technology to new heights. EXO Heaver. The EXO Heaver exoskeleton series, a revolutionary solution alleviating strain on workers by effortlessly lifting up to 60 kilograms. Tailored for the demanding environments of mines and construction sites, the premium Enforcer variant takes performance to the next level. With an impressive 80-kilogram lifting capacity, it incorporates explosion-proof electric motors and onboard sensors that actively monitor workspace parameters. This cutting-edge exoskeleton not only enhances strength and endurance, but also prioritizes safety in high-risk areas. The EXO Heaver series isn't just a lift assist, it's a technological marvel, redefining the capabilities of wearable exoskeletons and ensuring workers can tackle heavy tasks with both efficiency and security. ForgedAir. For those in need of reliable respiratory protection, ForgedAir, renowned for its top-tier respirators, presents filters with the most extensive surface area in the market. This innovation not only guarantees comfort during breathing, but also facilitates clear communication. The respirator is versatile, accommodating different filters tailored for various hazards such as metal, dust, asbestos, or viruses. Priced at $59 and equipped with a practical visor, it's a comprehensive solution that combines affordability with advanced filtration technology. ForgedAir's respirator ensures that safety and comfort go hand in hand, providing users with a trustworthy defense against airborne threats while maintaining ease of communication and breathability. Makita PDC-01/1200 backpack battery system. Embracing the growing trend toward battery-powered tools, Makita unveils its innovative backpack battery systems. The PDC-01, priced at $507, stands out with the capacity to accommodate up to 4 batteries, providing ample power for an extended work period. For those seeking a more comprehensive solution, the PDC-1200 offers a substantial charging backpack with an impressive 1206 watt-hour capacity, priced at $1,070. These backpack battery systems from Makita not only align with the market's shift, but also ensure that users have a versatile and powerful energy source, meeting the demands of various tools. It's a step towards efficiency and convenience, empowering professionals with the freedom and flexibility to tackle tasks without the constraints of traditional power sources. Klein Tools Tradesman Pro Magnetic Wristband. Klein Tools introduces a clever wristband featuring rare earth metal magnets designed to keep bolts, nuts, and screws securely in place. Weighing a mere 113 grams, this practical wristband is available for $19. Its versatility shines as it can be comfortably worn on the arm or conveniently attached to a belt, serving as a compact bit and drill holder. With a Klein Tools wristband, say goodbye to the hassle of fumbling for small metal parts during tasks. This affordable and lightweight solution ensures that essential components are always within reach, making it a must-have for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Klein Tools continues to deliver innovative solutions that enhance efficiency and convenience in everyday tasks.